Welcome students to Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College.
Today we are going to start with part 2 of chapter number 1, Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account.
Students, already we have done the meaning of partnership. It means when two or more persons coming together to do any economic activity for the intention to earn profit. Now today we are going to start with the new topic, that is partnership day. See the first point, the document containing the partnership agreement among the partners is called partnership deed. So, partnership deed is nothing but it is a written agreement of all the partners in which the rules and regulation pertaining to partnership, everything is mentioned. See the second point. It contains the terms and conditions which are agreed upon by all the partners. So terms and condition, yesterday we have done in features also regarding admission of new partner, regarding dissolution of the business or winding up of the business, or with whatever the reason, everything is mentioned in the partnership deed. So in future, partners, they will not face any legal problem. See the right hand side, that is a format of partnership deed. It shows that it is a legal document. The next topic is contents of partnership deed. In this we are going to study about detailed information of partnership deed. The point number 1, name and address of the firm and its main business. Here its main business mean whether the business is of production, distribution or what type of business activity it is. Point number 2, name and address of all partners and duration of the partnership. Here duration of the partnership, it means whether the partners they have come together for certain purpose or business is going to be continue as per the profit of the business. Point number 3, capital contribution of all the partners. It's very important that how much capital that each and every partner has contributed into the business, it should be mentioned in writing. Point number 4, ratio in which profit and losses are to be shared. In this, profit and losses, it should be shared equally or as per the capital ratio that is decided by all the partners mutually. It should be mentioned in partnership deed. Point number 5, rights, duties and liabilities of the partners. Here, all the partners have equal right or any other way partners are going to perform. Regarding the duties, what type of duties that all partners are supposed to do, and liabilities of the partners. The debt of the partners, everything should be mentioned properly so that in future there will be no dispute among the partners. Point number 6, provisions related to admission, retirement, death, etc. of a partners. Now in this, if future partners they will decide to admit any of the partner, that should be mentioned, or if the partner they want to give resignation, they want to take retirement from the partnership, that should be also mentioned in this so that there will be no dispute among the partners. Point number 7, rate of interest on capital, loan, drawings, etc. In this, loan given by the firm or partners has taken a loan from the firm and interest regarding the drawings. Everything should be mentioned very clearly. Point number 8, salaries, commission, etc., if payable to any partners. Now, in this, the partners are going to be decide mutually whether they are going to take salary or commission on sales or whatever the profit that they wanted to share from the gross profit. It should be mentioned in this. Point number 9, settlement of accounts on dissolution of the firm. Now, at the time of winding up of the firm, how the firm is going to be wind up, what about the assets of the firm, how they are going to pay their all the debt of the firm, everything should be mentioned very clearly. Point number 10, method of settlement of dispute among the partners. Now, method of dissolution, what type of dissolution that the partners, if one partner become insolvent or two partners, or if all the partners are going to be insolvent, everything should be mentioned in detail. Point number 11, any other matter relating to code of business. Means if in future partners they wanted to bring any changes, right, that they should include in point number 11. Here I have given one more registration deed. See here your right hand side. Students, the next topic is provision of the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Now, what is this provision? Here, if the partnership deed is silent, it means not much information has been mentioned in the partnership deed. And in future, if the partners they wanted to refer anything, then for the reference, this provision is available to the partners as per the Partnership Act section 12 and 17. Now let us understand this in detail. Point number 1, distribution of profit. If the partnership deed is silent about the profit sharing ratio, then the profit and losses are distributed among the partner is equal ratio. Now this point is again important here, because when we are going to start with the solving sums, you have to always check whether in the sum they have mentioned any ratio or not. If they have not mentioned any ratio regarding profit or losses, it means we have to understood that we have to distribute profit or losses equally. Point number 2, interest on drawings. Students, all of you know what is mean by the drawings. Drawings means amount withdrawn by partners for their personal use. So if anything partner has taken from the business, they have to pay interest to the business. And therefore, interest on drawings is income from the business point of view. So, if the date of drawing is not given, then average of 6 months interest is charged on drawings. Here, if the question has not mentioned anything related with the drawings date, so we have to understood that we have to charge interest for 6 months. Point number 3, interest on partner's loan. Here students, we are talking about loan and not an additional capital that the partners they are providing to the business. So, if the partner provides additional amount to the business as loan, but rate of interest on loan is not given, then 6% per annum interest is allowed. So if the question is silent, we have to charge interest at the rate of 6% per annum. Point number 4, interest on capital. If the partnership deed is silent about interest on capital, then interest is not allowed. Though they will mention, but we are not going to charge any interest on capital. Point number 5, salary or commission to partners. As per the provision, students remember, as per the provision, no salary, commission, allowance, or any remuneration is to be given to any of the partner for any extra work done for the firm. So provision has made it very much clear. If in the question they will say that as per the provision, in that case salary, commission, allowance is not supposed to be given to any of the partner. Point number 2, if any provision is made in partnership deed, then partners are entitled to get commission or salary as per the agreement. Again, if partnership deed says only in that case partners will get commission or salary as per the agreement. Point number 6, admission of new partner. As per the provision, no outside person can be admitted into the firm as a partner without the consent of other partners. So if they are going to allow any of the new person into the business, it is very, very important that the partners among themselves, they have to decide there should be mutual consent of all the partners. Then only new partners can be allowed into the partnership business. So here we have completed provision of the India Partnership Act 1932. Now students, the next topic that we are going to start with methods of capital account. Now, what is meant by the method? It means the capital contributed by the partners. Partners maintain and operate some method of capital accounts. The two methods of capital account are discussed below. Here they have given methods of capital account. They are fixed capital method, fluctuating capital method. And in fixed capital method, we have to open two accounts, capital account, current account. And if capital is fluctuating, we have to just operate capital account. So students, in next class, we are going to start with methods of capital account in detail. Students, here are questions based on the topic that we have done today. Please go through it and try to find out the answer. Thank you.